This 2013 S550 has the hood open warning light illuminated while driving. It will not allow you to use the wiper while standing still, but it does allow you to use the wiper once you move. I guess that's a safety feature both ways. You can't have the wiper when it's standing to not hurt yourself if you're under the hood, but they do let you have the wiper while moving. The hood is closed, so I'm going to open up the latch and hopefully bend the prong for the switch, because I did try the little pick in there, and when I move the switch with the pick, it clicks, and I put a small piece of cardboard in there about 1/8 to 1/4 inch wide, and that was enough to keep this light from coming on while driving. So the tools we'll need are really just a 10 mil, and there's 2 bolts, and then we're going to try to bend that prong a little bit and make sure once I drive it again that light goes away or it doesn't come back. Hood latch is right here, a little bit hidden, but that's how it is on these model years. So let's try this thing out. Put it open, pull this guy out. The switch is not on the driver's side, but it is on the passenger side right here. You see the little wires in there. Take these 2 10 mil out. And this is where the switch is located. And I just stuck a little cardboard in there, and that was enough to keep it closed. It closes the switch, I'm assuming. It's normally open and then you close it, I think. So, or it's the opposite. Normally close and then open to turn the light on. But when you close the hood, there's a small piece of metal. You can see it if you push down here. It comes out, and it's supposed to push from this side on that stainless steel prong. So now I'm just gonna have to hit the hood to unlock that, just so I don't forget to do it. So you just take it out carefully, and now we want to move or bend the little stainless tab. So you want to try to push this tab out toward this little, this is what pushes on the switch or on the tab, and that closes the switch, or opens, whatever it happens, but it moves the switch to the opposite. So when that tab comes out, let's see if I can show this. Hard to show it, but we have to try to make, or you could, in theory, you could add material to that throwing rod, but let me try to adjust this. by just bending that stainless steel tab away from the switch, because it's a U shape, and now it's a little bit closer to the rod that pushes on it. So before, this little stainless tab was closer to the switch, and when this rod came and through it, it didn't quite push it enough. So now it should. So when I close the hood, this is closing the hood. I don't know if that's enough yet. I might have to push it a little bit more. But you could try it. Make sure if you put something in there, like a piece of cardboard, then you know if the light stays off that the switch is good itself. And then you can try to bend this tab just that little bit. Try to bend it and make the U shape wider. Basically pulling it like this, but I don't want it to be too high either. Now it's a little moving up on that where it has to throw it. So I need to push it back down a little bit from the top. That looks pretty good. So if I hit the close, basically the latch closed from the top, from the hood closing it, and that tab moves it. So I'm gonna try and see if that's enough. 2 bolts back. Make sure I release the hood so I don't smash down on here with the other side, the catch. This, I'm calling this a latch, and I don't know what this is called, the other side of the latch. Close that in a moment. Open the hood to release that closed position, and now we can close it and test it out. As soon as I move the car, that light was coming on, so let's see if it's any better. Reverse, move the car. I think that did it. I'm rolling backwards, rolling forwards. No warning. Wiper works again. Not when I'm stopped though. Yeah, it does. It does when I put it on high. So that was not working before. Unless I started driving, which must be a safety feature too. So they don't want you getting hurt with the wiper moving when the hood is open. And they don't want you to not have a wiper if you're driving. So they have a couple different logic features built in. And we have no warning besides the fasten seatbelt warning, which the seatbelt takes care of. Perfect. I was going to buy a switch, but then it looked like a plunger was missing, so I looked at the latch and it doesn't seem to come with a plunger. So I checked out another vehicle that does not have the problem, and I just saw that little rod moving. So all you have to do is move that little tab a little bit, bend it like a 1/8 or 16th or whatever. It has to be closer just to make the contact of the switch open or close again normally. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like these videos. Thank you.